When the right to vote is questioned, when the very foundation of democracy is shaken, it is we, the people, who must rise to defend it. Our democracy was not given, it was earned through struggle and sacrifice. And today we stand together to reclaim it. We, the people, resist. We restore our right to democracy. We say no to SIR, the special intensive revision that erases citizens from voter rolls. We say no to the selection of voters by vested interests. We say no to rejection of voters that violates basic constitutional rights. Join us in the National Conclave on Democratic Governance and Citizens' Rights on October 25th, 2025 at the Madras School of Social Work, Egmore, Chennai. Conclave will be presided over by Justice Hari Parandaman, retired judge of the Madras High Court, with Dr. V. Suresh of PUCL and Mr. Henry Tiffan of People's Watch. Joining them are voices of truth, integrity and courage. Mr. M.G. Devasahayam, IAS retired, Dr. R. Balakrishnan, IAS retired, Dr. Parakala Prabhakar, Dr. Usha Ramanathan, Ms. Anjali Bharadwaj, Dr. V. Ponraj, and Mr. Kannan Gopinathan, IAS resigned. We will also hear from fearless voices from the media and people's movements. Mr. R. Vijay Shankar, Mr. Ayanathan, Mr. Nitin Sethi, and Ms. Tara Rao, and representatives of the people who continue the democratic fight, Mr. Sasikant Sindel, Mr. R. Sachidanandam, Mr. A. Raja, Dr. Thol Tirumabalavan, Mr. M.H. Jawarullah, and Mr. Lurinjyoti Gogoi. Together they will stand before the nation, and Justice Hari Parandaman sir will take the people's vote, a symbolic act reaffirming our faith in democracy, by the citizens, for the citizens. Because this is not just a conclave. It's a call to action, a reminder that when citizens unite, no force can silence our constitution. Let us rise together for our vote, our rights, our country. We the people will not rest till we reclaim our democracy.